Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Android phone when locked. So you can see it is asking for password, and if you enter the wrong password you can see the phone is locked. Try again in 30 seconds. So how to reset Android phone when locked? So for this, on the top right corner a card is available where I provided the link of how to hard reset. Just go there and know about your model. Okay, for this, first power off your Android phone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now to go in recovery mode, first press and hold power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and now press the volume down key and release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key, and you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. You can see now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now go to wipe data factory reset. You can see wipe data factory reset. Go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone, guys. This will delete your all stored data on your phone. I would like to inform you, after a hard reset all stored data will be deleted. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now you can reboot system now, and here power off is also available. So now if we reboot the system after the hard reset, might take some time to boot up the device. And guys, if you have logged in with a Google account, the account is required to unlock the phone, and if no account is available, simply follow the instructions to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to reset Android phone when locked. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.